Welcome to ARIS Risk and Compliance Manager. This tutorial describes the risk assessment workflow in ARIS Risk and Compliance Manager, whereby operational risks are assessed with regard to their anticipated financial impact and probability, and the results documented in an audit-proof manner. In ARIS Risk and Compliance Manager, risk assessments are generated on defined dates or manually, and emails automatically sent to the assigned risk owners. Users log into the system with their risk owner role and view their list of open risk assessments. The risk assessments are open for editing by clicking the ID number in the list. The assessment form contains all the information a risk owner needs to evaluate a risk. Using the function Copy Values, the data from the last risk assessment can be copied into the form and modified as required. You can record minimum, average, and maximum amounts of damages and occurrence frequencies. The reduced values include risk minimizing measures, such as insurance. Alternatively, the amount of damages can be categorized from unimportant to catastrophic, and the occurrence frequency from very low to very high. After assessment, the owner status is set to Assessed, and the results are saved. The risk reviewer then receives an email with a request to review a new risk assessment. After logging in, the reviewer can review the risk assessment performed by the risk owner in their Open Risk Assessments list. The reviewer must decide whether to accept or reject the assessment. If they accept, the assessment is closed. If the assessment is rejected, it is returned to the risk owner to be revised. Risk managers can view a range of statistics via the Evaluation area, such as risk assessment by process. In a qualitative assessment, the risks are assessed in terms of their amount of damages and occurrence frequency without any actual figures. The impact of an occurrence is graded in scales comprising multiple levels between high and low, where red is used for high and green for low. Risk minimizing measures can be incorporated for reduced value evaluations so that the risks do not appear in the red areas. Other assessments are possible, including quantitative assessment using actual data and trend analysis. You have now seen how the ARIS Risk and Compliance Manager workflow provides highly effective support for performing risk assessment.